Once again, poor Bobby's in trouble. In this example, we're going to show you how you can decide to leave combat if you absolutely need to. But we're going to show you how it works with a bit of a twist. In this example, Peter is in combat with Bobby. It's the last turn of the game, and over here we have Keisha, who's sitting on one hit point remaining on the objective. Across the other side of the board, Bobby's player has 2 objectives, and the owning player of Keisha has 1 objective in addition to the one that Keisha's now standing next to. Bobby's owning player can win the game if he can somehow manage to get Keisha off the objective. But it's pretty difficult to do that if you're locked into combat with a host like he is currently. So sometimes you can elect to retreat from combat, though it's not very easy. To retreat from combat, you must expend 1 action point, and then successfully roll a 5 or more on a dice. And whilst Bobby may be in trouble, it might be his lucky day, as we've just rolled a 6 to do so. When retreating, you have to suffer a disengaging strike. And in this example, we'll say that Peter decided to do a swing and a miss with his baseball bat, and our friend Bobby managed to move 3 inches away from the combat. Bobby's got 4 activations in total. He's already used 1 of them to escape, which means he has 3 more in which to possibly try and get into contact with Keisha. When you can retreat from combat, you're not allowed to re-engage models that you were initially in base contact with. So if you're in base contact with Peter in this example, you can't elect to retreat and then rush back into that combat to gain the boosts associated with charging. You can, however, decide to retreat from a combat to go and help a colleague, or in this example, attack somebody in objective. It gives you that last desperate gambit in an attempt to save the game, or in fact, in this case, win it. So let's see if Bobby manages to charge the poultry distance to get to the foe, in which he does. So off Bobby goes into combat with Keisha. With Bobby being an apostle, he soundly beats the crap out of Keisha, removing her from the objective, and in one simple move, wins the game.